Okay, this is 1113, which is a review for the DCA. Notice at the bottom, on the DCA, you're not going to get to use any notes, so you need to make sure you know this information before you start the DCA. You'll have to clear everything off your desk, just have scratch paper out for the DCA. So first, the equation of a circle. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared, where these two numbers are the center of the circle. And remember, you have to change the signs on those. And then it's equal to r squared, where r is the radius. Then I want to go back over these parts. A line segment from the center to the edge of a circle, that's a radius. A line segment with both ends on the circle, that's a chord. And a chord that goes through the center of the circle, that's a diameter. Now notice that all of these are segments. Those are not lines, those are all segments. Now here we start with the ones that are lines. These three here are lines. A line that touches the circle in 2 points. That's the secant here. It touches in 2 points, there and there. A line that touches a circle in 1 point is a tangent. And where it touches, right here, is the point of tangency. Point of tangency. And then an arc that's less than 180, that's a minor arc. And we label that with 2 letters with a little arc over the top of it, like this one, AB. That's a minor arc, it's less than 180. A major arc is more than 180, for instance, and we go this way, and in order to name that, I need to have 3 letters. So we have to put like a C there, and that would be ACB. Okay, now let's review our formulas. Here, X, this is a central angle, and a central angle is equal to the arc. This is an inscribed angle because it's touching the circle there, and it's 1/2 the arc. This one is where I have 2 chords crossing, and it's equal to 1/2, then I add these two together. So 1/2 AD plus BC. This one is where it's a 2 secants, and the X is on the outside like that. It's 1/2 again, and it's the big one, CE minus BD. And then we have the ones with the tangents. When I have a tangent like this, the 2 tangents that touch a point outside, these two are equal to each other. So TP equals TQ. And when it crosses a radius is perpendicular to the arc, to the chord, when a radius is perpendicular to the chord, so OB is perpendicular to AC, then these 2 pieces are equal. AB equals BC. And finally, we looked at this one. Again, if it's perpendicular, these are split in half, so we can use A squared plus B squared equals C squared on this one. Okay, be sure to study over those. Go back and look at any other notes you need before you start your DCA.